Welcome to EPICA's tutorial series for Phase 2. There will be a total of 6 series, such as Candidate, Supervisor, Internal Assessor, Lead Internal Verifier, External Assessor, CAP Secretary, and OPU Admin. This tutorial is for OPU Admin. Let's get started. In Enhanced EPICAS, OPU Admin needs to perform various tasks such as register a new candidate, update a candidate profile, register a new assessor, update an assessor profile, add the program manager, and perform task assumption for the candidate. How to proceed with all these tasks? Follow below steps. OPU Admin is recommended to do the following before using EPICAS. Use Internet Explorer Minimum IE11 for best resolution and disable pop-up blocker. To access EPICAS, type https://epicas.petronas.com. Key in Petronas Outlook user ID and password. Click Login. How to register a new candidate? To register a new candidate, mouse over on user profile menu, click Net Link. System will display a list of existing candidates for your PICAS site. Click on the Add Net Profile operation if you want to register candidate under Operation Trade. Otherwise, click on Add Net Profile Maintenance. In the registration page, click on Search button next to the Staff ID field. Key in Staff ID or staff name or email and click Search to search for candidate. System will display list of name based on your search criteria. Click Select to proceed registering the candidate. System will auto-populate the organization info of the candidate such as the OPU name, division, department, section, and also the position title. Other than this, the salary grade date or promotion date, and the IC number will also be displayed. As an OPU admin, you need to fill in the missing information, example, PICAS site, trade, DECUM, and the PJP to be assigned to the candidate. This can be selected from the drop-down menu as per your selection. To assign the PICAS supervisor, click on the search button next to the PICAS supervisor field. Key in the staff number or first name or last name or the email address of the supervisor. Click Search. Select the PICAS supervisor from the search result. The selected name will be displayed as PICAS supervisor in the net registration form. Ensure the required fields are all filled in. Click Save to complete the registration for the net. How to update candidate or net profile? To update candidate profile, mouse over on user profile menu, click Net Link. System will display list of existing candidate for your PICA site. If the candidate is in the listing, select the candidate by clicking on the radio button on the most right column and click Edit Profile button. If the candidate is not in the listing, click on Search button, key in staff ID or staff name and other search criteria to help you to search for candidates. Click Search. System will display list of names based on your search criteria. Click the radio button and click Edit Profile to proceed updating the candidate profile. System will display the candidate profile with some information is editable by you. Once you have completed updating the profile, click Update Profile to save the changes. Update profile for candidate is now done. How to register a new assessor? To register a new assessor, mouse over on user profile menu, click Assessor link. System will display list of available assessor for your PICA site. Click on the Add Assessor Profile operation if you want to register assessor under Operation Trade. Otherwise, click on Add Assessor Profile Maintenance. In the registration page, click on Search button next to the Staff ID field. Key in Staff ID or staff name or email and click Search to search for assessor. System will display list of names based on your search criteria. Click Select to proceed registering the assessor. System will auto-populate the organization info of the candidates such as the OPU name, division, department, section, position title, and also the supervisor name. As an OPU admin, you need to fill in the mandatory field. Example, trade, PICA site, DECUM, certification, and the certified assessor info. Once you have completed populating the information, click Save to complete the registration for the assessor. Registration for the new assessor is now done. How to update assessor profile? To update assessor profile, mouse over on user profile menu, click Assessor link. System will display list of available assessor for your PICA site. If the assessor is in the listing, select the assessor by clicking on the radio button on the most right column and click Edit Profile button. If the assessor is not in the listing, click on Search button, key in Staff ID or staff name and other search criteria to help you to search for assessor. Click Search. System will display list of names based on your search criteria. Click the radio button and click Edit Profile to proceed updating the assessor profile. System will display the assessor profile with some information editable by you. Once you have completed updating the profile, click Update Profile to save the changes. Update profile for assessor is now done. How to add a program manager? To add the program manager, mouse over on user profile menu, click Program Manager link. System will display list of available program managers for your PICA site. Click plus icon, key in the staff ID and click Retrieve button. The program manager detail will be displayed. Click Save button to add the program manager for your PICA site. The new program manager is now added. How to perform task assumption for a candidate? To assume tasks for a candidate, mouse over the e-assessment menu and click on Assumpted Task New link. System will display the search criteria and existing candidate exempted for the task under your PICA site. If you want to remove the assumption done earlier, click on the delete icon in the most right column. The candidate assumption record will be deleted from the system. If you want to edit the assumption done before, click on the edit icon in the most right column. System will display the assumpted task for the selected candidate. Click on the edit icon if you want to change the justification for assumption, or click delete icon to remove the task from assumpted task list. On the bottom part of the page, system is displaying the list of tasks as per candidate PJP. If you want to add tasks for assumption, click on the checkbox Can Be Multiple and click Add Selected Exempted Task button. Provide some justification on the assumption and click Save. The selected task will be added to the list of tasks exempted section. To add new assumption from the e-assessment exempted task new menu, click on the plus icon. Click on the search button, key in staff ID or staff name or staff email and click search to search for the candidate. From the search result, select the candidate and choose the task to be exempted by clicking on the checkbox. Click Add Selected Exempted Task, provide justification for the assumption and click Save. The selected task has been added to the Task Exempted section. The task assumption for the candidate is now completed. She's a